Family, so we are summing up some work for the day. Got the power ran from the inside, got that done. Put the sheetrock at the top here. We're gonna do plywood around the inside of the welding session booth. It's gonna be plywood. Finished out the area in here. So now we're gonna start cutting out the rest of the remaining pieces and doing a touch up, painting all that up and taping it and all that good stuff here soon. So that's what we're gonna be working on this week. So just wanted to give you some updates, what we got going on, man. It's coming. So just wanted to give y'all some updates, man. We're taking it one day at a time. Like I say, today actually, I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a little tired. I've been on it. So I'm gonna go kick my feet up and relax a little bit, man. Like I said, we got a lot going. Thanks to my partner Jesse, he out here, he did it. Like, he good at what he do, man. So it's good to have somebody that honor their skills like you honor yours, you know what I mean? So we're about to sum it up for the day. Had a good time putting it in, you know what I mean? Now it's time to go on and hit this road, man. So before I leave, give you a small update on what we got going on. Let you see it one more good time. And hey, man, imagine yours. Imagine your container. That's the goal. There's nothing you can't do. So coming into 2021, get at me if you got some ideas on your independence with a shipping container. HogOn.